Hey everyone, in this video I will show you a few solutions to fix Valorant stuck at 0 while updating or downloading. So please follow the steps with me and let's jump into it. Okay, first of all, close down Riot Games if it's open and make sure it's not running in the background. So to do that, just go to your task manager. And in here, check to see if Valorant and Riot Game is running, close them. Then check for updates manually, and if there is any updates available, make sure to download and install them. Next, you need to uninstall or disable any third-party antivirus on your computer, including Windows security. So open up your search bar and type in there Windows Defender Firewall and open it up. Then on the top, select allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. In here, click on change settings. And next, select allow another app. So now we need to add Riot Vanguard, Riot Game and Valorant file to the firewall allowed exceptional list. So to do that, just click on browse and on the left select local disk C drive. Then look for Riot Games folder and open it up. Next, Riot Client. Over here, select Riot Client Services and click on open. Then click on add. Once you add it, make sure both private and public is checked. On your desktop, right click on Riot Client and go to Properties, and on the top select Compatibility. Make sure this option is checked for run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and also this one is checked for run this program as administrator. Once you're done, click on Apply and OK. Next solution is to change or check the DNS server in your computer. So to do that, on your keyboard press Windows key and R to open up Run and type in here ncpa.cpl and then just click OK. Over here, choose the internet connection that you're working on. So in my case, I'm working on Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to right click on Wi-Fi and select Properties. And next in here, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Then we need to select this option, use the following DNS server address. And for preferred DNS server, type in there 8.8.8.8, and then for the bottom one, which is alternative DNS server, type in there 8.8.4.4. Just in case you have already selected this option in the past and it still is not working, then you can just choose the top one which says obtain DNS server address automatically and just click OK. Next solution, open up your command prompt. So to do that, just go to search bar and type in there CMD. Make sure to run it as administrator. We need to type these two commands in the command prompt. These commands will be in the video description. The next one, copy and paste it in here. And once you're done, just restart your computer. After you restarted your computer, then go to local disk C drive and program files. Look for Riot Vanguard folder. Once you find it, make sure to delete it. After you delete it, then launch the Riot Games and log into your account. Once you signed in, then you will see an update. So just go ahead and update it. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.